Tracking client activities and projects effectively is crucial for staying organized and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks, and SuiteDash offers a solid solution for this. But how exactly do you track client activities and projects in SuiteDash? Let's dive into some key features that help you do this efficiently. First up, SuiteDash provides a unified platform where you can manage projects, tasks, and communication all in one place. The first thing you'll want to explore is the project dashboard. This is where you can easily access ongoing projects and track their progress. SuiteDash lets you assign specific tasks to clients and team members, set due dates, and track completion percentages, giving you a real-time overview of your projects. And with its customizable status updates, you can quickly see what's done and what's still pending. This centralized dashboard keeps everyone on the same page. Next thing, SuiteDash allows you to track client activities in detail. Whether it's through the built-in client portal or activity logs, you can monitor interactions and updates. For example, every time a client interacts with a document, updates a task, or sends a message, SuiteDash logs these activities. This is super helpful for keeping track of how involved your clients are in their projects and can help with follow-ups if needed. You can even set reminders for clients to ensure they stay on top of their responsibilities. The third thing to note is SuiteDash's communication tools. With SuiteDash, you can streamline communication by sending emails directly through the platform and tracking client responses. This is especially useful for client feedback or updates on projects. It saves time because everything is in one place and helps maintain clear, professional communication with clients. Now, another essential feature is the file sharing and document management system. You can share project files with clients securely and track when they view or download these documents. This feature keeps both you and the client in the loop about important files and ensures that no important document gets lost in email chains. Plus, you can control which files clients can access, keeping sensitive information secure. The fifth thing you'll love about SuiteDash is its ability to integrate with other tools. If you're already using tools like Google Calendar, Dropbox, or QuickBooks, SuiteDash integrates seamlessly with them. This means you don't have to switch between different platforms to track client activities or manage projects. Everything syncs in one spot, reducing manual data entry and errors. But now, let's get real about some limitations. While SuiteDash is an all-in-one platform, it's not without its issues. The user interface can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to the platform. Plus, while the integration options are extensive, they may require some technical setup, which can be a hassle for those who are not as tech-savvy. So, what's the alternative? There are other software options out there that can provide a more seamless experience with even better features for tracking client activities and projects. These alternatives are user-friendly, integrate with a wide variety of tools right out of the box, and offer intuitive dashboards for easy tracking. They also come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. To wrap up, if you're looking to track client activities and projects in SuiteDash, it's a solid choice, but there are other options out there that might be a better fit depending on your needs. The good news? You can explore these alternatives and get a free trial using the link in the description. These alternatives might offer better features for your specific needs, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and access to extended free trials. Don't forget to check out the link for the best trial offers that you won't find anywhere else.